Hi guys, this is Mr. G. So we're going to go ahead and go on to example number 2 on your section 1.1, rational numbers. All right, we're continuing our lesson. So example number 2. So I told you up here on the little eyeball thing when we did it, the diagram, we found out that we can write rational numbers as decimals. Yes? Okay, fractions and decimals. All right. Now, there's a little bit more to decimals. So here we go. All rational numbers can be expressed as two different ways. One is a repeating decimal. Okay. And they can also be expressed as terminating decimals. A repeating decimal and a terminating decimal. Go ahead and say it to yourself. Okay. What's a repeating decimal? So a repeating decimal is a decimal that keeps going on forever, but it repeats. So like 1.33333, 2.66668, or it could even do something like 1.21212121. It can do that. All right. A terminating decimal is a decimal that stops. So it's something like your GPA 2.31 or 4.12. Okay. So repeating, terminating. So what we're going to do with this table is we're going to find out if these are repeating or terminating decimals. So what you can do is if you have a calculator at home, you can actually do these, okay, and put them in the right spot. So we're going to go ahead and do these together though, okay? So right here, it's a rational number because it's an integer over an integer, 3/4. So let's put it into a calculator. And the number that we're going to get is 0.75. So 0.75, is it repeating or is it terminating? It's terminating means it's a stopping. It stops, right? So it's terminating, 0.75. And I'm going to put it in red because this is red too, okay? Next one, -5/6. So -5/6, it's an integer over an integer and it's negative, so it is a rational number. But let's find out if it repeats or not. So when you put it in your calculator, you're going to get -0.833333. So is it repeating or terminating? Right? It is repeating. Right? So it's going to go -0.8333. And then what you're going to do, which you probably did before, you're going to put a bar above the 3's. It's going to go above the 3's, okay? Not the 8, but the 3's. And I used the wrong color. So let me erase this. Oops. What happened? Erase this. And then put the actual blue one. So it's -0.8333 with the bar over it. Okay. Next one, 2 5/8. 2 5/8 is a mixed number. Remember that from 4th and 5th grade? Okay. So this one is going to be 2.625. It is terminating. It stops. Okay. Next one, 0.18, which is 18%. It stops. 0.18. Easy. All right. Next one, 5. It terminates. 5.0. That could be somebody's GPA too. All right. So here's how you can define rational numbers when they are decimals: repeating or terminating. All right. Now you can fill this out. Go ahead and fill this out. How can you determine if a decimal will be a rational number? Well, how do we do it? We determine if it's repeating or terminating. So put right here, terminating or repeating. Catch you on the next video.